everyone, and welcome back to Cantuti Plans. This is Carmen. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Here in my channel, I show you guys how I functionally and decoratively plan my planner spreads for the weeks and for the months. And today I'm going to be planning in my classic vertical happy planner that I use as my catch-all planner for the week of March 25th through March 31st. And I'm going to be using this He Is Risen sticker kit from Lorene Plans. And let's go ahead and get to planning. All right, so the first thing I want to do is I'm going to white out the numbers here because the stickers aren't too tall, like too wide, and so they're not going to cover all of this part here. So just gonna go through and do a very quick little rough white out because the sticker is going to cover most of it, just not the top part. So I need to make sure this part is covered well, and then go from there. So I'm going to kind of try to go from top to bottom, see how that goes, how that works out for me. So how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy and that you're healthy and that everything is going well for you. I'm hurting because I did some gardening in my flower bed yesterday and I'm a little sore, but other than that, I'm doing good. Hubby and I went out to a plant nursery and got some flowers for me to plant, and he's not the most, flower planting person, so if I want flowers to get planted, I mean, he'll help with gathering materials for me and stuff like that, but as far as him actually doing the planting, he's not about doing that, so it's all me. And I enjoy it. I just don't know if I'm so much of a green thumb as people say, but we'll see. I planted a couple of flowers up in the front of the house, so we'll see if they'll bloom or not. This week is also Easter this Sunday, so we are in the middle, or we are starting Holy Week in the Catholic Church. Let's see. And I am going to put down this washi right here. I guess I'm working more so on the outline of the spread this week, it looks like. Okay. And then this one is not going to fit all the way across. So what I need to do is kind of figure out where middle is and then just put it down right where I happen to feel the middle is. So I'm thinking it's here. Okay. I am going to get the trash icon and grab that, and maybe one of these stickers here. Let's do this one. So that'll be trash day. This week is going to be a recycle week as well, so let me see. I'm gonna put this one here and then take this. I need to find a recycle icon. I have recycling icons. I just need to go and find them because I don't have them right here. I should, but all right. So let me see. I do want to put a this week sticker on here. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure out where this goes. Like right in here, but it's bigger than this section here. All right. And I think I have two of these. I don't know. I do have a bigger one actually. I'm gonna use this one to go right there. I don't know what I'm gonna track here, but I'll find something to track, I'm sure. Okay. I do have trackers I can use. I do have some here. So maybe, although I'm not sure what I'm going to track, I can put something down, right? choose what to track and put it down there. So I'm going to do, well, I guess I need to leave space, right? Or I can write what I'm tracking here and I don't need to leave the space. That one, and then a blue one, and then a green one. I've had this sticker kit for a couple of years, but I've always used parts of it. It's just the kit is so large that I can't use it in one planner spread. But I like sticker sheets that do that, that they have just so much available. Let's see, so I want to put, we're going to do these across the middle section here. Okay. The functionals. Okay. They're beautiful stickers. I wish I could have used them all at once, but it's just, like I said, it's so hard because they, there's so many stickers in the kit. And you know, you don't want to, for the sake of using all the stickers, you don't want to just put down a whole bunch, you know. Let's see what else is going on. So I did some gardening. Also, my godson was born this past week, so that's exciting. There we go. So now we have functional boxes for every day of the week. Almost done with this one. And we're going to put this here. He is risen. Sticker there. We can do the weekend sticker, this beautiful weekend sticker here. I'm going to lift just a little part of this so I can put this across there. Or maybe we can lower this just a tad. Right about here. Oops, we don't. Okay, let's just put it right on above this. There we go. Okay, and then what else is going on? I know my husband has a appointment here, so we're gonna do that. I'm seeing here I do have a trash date here. I wish I had another one of these scripts. Oh, hold on. This one seems to match this one a little better, so I'm gonna use this one. Okay, and then what else? Hold on. I'm gonna move this one over to here because by here we're getting ready for him to ribbon. Okay, and then we can put this one here with this. There we go. This is pretty. I like that. Let's take this and put it here. But we're gonna cut part of that. We're gonna just leave this part. Okay, there we go. Here we go. And let's see, what else can we add? Do those right here. And then put these here. This shopping icon came up with it, but that's not what I wanted to put there. Okay. Then we can put another one of these here. Get my ruler again. Okay. So we'll put these back here. I don't know where I could use these, but then I'm going to use the purple ones here. Kind of do what I did with the blue ones, but instead of with blue, do it with the purple because I don't have any more of the blue strips. Okay. Okay, this can go like that. All right, let's do one like this, and we'll do another one like that for something that may come up. Then we can also do one like this, and the other one like that. That one or the one with the blue? I think I should do the one with the blue. Let's do this here. Okay, I think those are the last ones of those type that I have. So this kit doesn't really come with a lot of decorative stickers, so I am going to take these smaller ones because they're the ones that have a little bit of deco. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to use some of these where I can. Okay. I know these look like blue bonnets, but I don't think that's what they are. Let's see. Ooh, don't want to tear anything. They're very delicate stickers. Grab this one. Okay. It says Hobonichi on it, but I'm not using this as a Hobonichi, so and I don't know if I'm gonna have any Happy Mail this week. I don't know what is coming in for me this week, so I don't want to put that down and then not have anything come in. So this area right here is looking a little bit like it's missing something, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this and then add one of these down here just because it looks like stuff is missing. And let me me take one last look here. And I think that with that, this planner spread is ready for a week of catch-all planning. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys click the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye.